Ketchup. Today we're making banana bread.
Alright, so first what are we going to mix up in there?
We're going to mix up
Butter and sugar.
butter and sugar.
Alright, go ahead and mix that up.
Okay, put it in gently.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, you love using the mixer.
I love using the mixer. You want to?
Yep. Okay, shut up. So now lift it up.
Now lift it up.
We're going to mix in 2 eggs.
Mix in 2 eggs. Okay, that's pretty leaky.
Pretty leaky, everybody.
Okay, there you go.
Shelf here. Daddy.
Yep. We don't want to do it too much or it might go rippy wrap wrong. Bananas, buttermilk, and
Vanilla.
vanilla.
Good job. Okay. Tell them that sometimes we put our bananas in the freezer to make them nice and mushy.
Sometimes we put a banana in the freezer to make them really mushy. Like that.
Want to see my favorite part, you guys?
Yeah.
This is what I do. Cut the tops off.
Cut the tops off.
Okay. In the kitchen, babe. Making banana bread. We're doing. Okay, and then you hold it like here. You squish all the guts out.
And then you hold it right here and squish all the guts out. You like that?
Yep.
And then the juice is still left.
Wow, that yummy flavorful juice. All right.
Gross. Now that I got the guts out, we need to totally throw that. Throw that away.
Isn't that kind of gross?
Yeah.
That's so fun.
Yeah, it's like kind of squeezy. Like I'm already almost done with the third one. It's like, yeah, it's so easy. Like, there you go. Oh, it's all done. Okay. Oh my god. Everybody watching this, do not do this at home.
That makes it a mess. Where'd you get your banana bread recipe? Do you know?
Buttermilk.
Alright, so we're gonna dump this in the mixer.
Oh my gosh. Blood.
Blur.
It is a pretty tiny, it looks like a milk jug, so tiny. Now we're going to put it in something that,
Tell them this is the ingredient that makes it so yummy.
this is the ingredient that makes it so yummy. Now we don't follow it. Let's dump it in. This is what it looks like. Doesn't it look like milk? Yeah, it does. Let's put it in.
Kind of buttery.
It is kind of buttery too. Now we're going to put
A teaspoon's about like a splash.
Okay, now we can just mix it up.
Yep, go ahead. Go nice and easy. Start at a 1.
I can prepare a crew.
Tell them, say it's very important not to overmix.
It's really important not to overmix. Dad, get out of here!
Alright.
Mom, what are you making? Banana bread.
Flour, baking soda, and salt.
Flour, baking soda, and salt.
Stop. Okay, now.
Now we're gonna mix in
Flour,
flour,
baking
salt,
soda.
flour, baking soda, and salt.
Good job. Alright, so we're going to mix that into here.
Okay, let's put that in. Take this out.
I'll do a little bit at a time. Usually we don't use the mixer for the dry ingredients, but we're going to try it today just so it doesn't make a mess. And
We're gonna mix the rest by hand, which means like your hand. We're gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mommy over there is just freaking out. Yes.
See me freaking out? Yes. Sweet. Take it off of this thing. You can mix it for everybody.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it, and Mom just got some on my fingers. That's important what you guys are doing. Get it on your kids.
Thank you. Alright. There we go.
There
So
we
now
go.
we're going to mix it up by hand.
Now we're gonna mix it up by hand. Here we go. Look at that stuff. That is banana guts. That is banana guts. That's not what they look like, but Mom just brought in a billion
Little loaf.
little loaf bananas. These things you can make tiny banana, but it's so cute. So we're making that. Are you serious? I'm still seeing some banana guts. Are you serious?
That'll stand out nice.
Now for my favorite ingredient. Okay. Now
About a half a cup.
a half a cup. I thought they were gonna be big, but they're actually small.
Tell them what your elf on a shelf did.
The other day, my elf on the shelf put chocolate chips in a thing and he left a note that said, "Dear Ellie and Fallon, free reindeer poop."
Pesky elf. Alright, mix those in quick.
We're gonna make 5 baby Pulos.
Give them to our friends, right? Yeah, tell them. So we can give them to our friends.
So we can give them to our friends. Are they evenly spread now?
Does it look like everybody thinks the bite's gonna get some?
Yep, it looks like it. Not much over here, so I'm gonna start mixing. There we go. You do good?
Mm-hmm.
There's actually some on the spoon. Even chocolate chips. 3 chocolate chips, but we're not gonna eat them. Oh my gosh. Banana yolk! Where's the napkin? Where's the napkin? I got banana yolk. Guts. Banana guts, where is it? Okay, now that they're all oiled up, we can start doing this. My mom's actually gonna help me, so watch out for a big hand.
You have a big hand?
Yep. Can I dump it?
No, I think I'll do this, okay?
Hi.
Doesn't make too much of a mess. I can't really see.
Some of this side. Okay, so now that we got them all finished,
Do they look even? Is anybody missing any?
I think
I'm gonna go lease them out.
this one and this one. They both need just a little extra. To actually have the same amount, and they're actually a little than the other ones. So we'll
Tell them. Why do you think it's important that they have the same amount and not some are bigger than others? Why do you think?
because it has to be fair for everyone.
Yeah, and then we don't want to bake them. The big ones will take longer to bake, and then the little ones will burn, right?
So good.
So that it bakes.
Okay, now that we're done with that, we can actually slide them up together.
Should we show them?
Yep.
Pull them back by you. Ready to show them?
Yeah.
Yummy.
We haven't baked them yet, so that's why they look a little not like banana.
Alright. Say we'll show you what they look like when they're done.
I'll show you what they look like when they're done.
We're gonna bake at 350 for 40 minutes.
We're gonna bake at 350 for 40 minutes.
So we're gonna check it with a toothpick.
We're gonna check it with a toothpick.
And what do we do?
We're gonna stick it in, and if we pull it out and it's clean, that means it's ready. If we put it in and it comes out dirty, that means it's not ready
So
yet.
this one is ooey gooey. So what does that mean?
It's not done.
Right, we gotta bake it a little bit. I think they're ready.
I I think they're ready.
Did they pass the toothpick test? Cute little one.
Yeah.
Where'd your toothpick go?
I just said it.
Kind of in the middle. Now, if it has a chocolate chip, that's okay, but I just don't want the bad. Maybe try sticking in a different hole. What?
Okay, no goop.
Throw it out.
There's no goop, guys.
Bigger ones.
One's higher because it's on like a riser. Hey, Mom. Okay. We need to
Oh,
taste
this one might need more time because it's way bigger.
Yes.
So I think Daddy, good?
Get out of here!
Tell them what this is. Say this is our taste. Maybe not.
This is our taste tester.
Definitely needs more time.
This one needs more time, so we're actually gonna get it in the hopper oven.
In the hopper, she says. The hopper.
Cause it explodes sometimes. Thanks for making banana butter. You know what I'm having for breakfast.
See you later. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. This is good.
That's Fallon's house. Mommy, my tummy.
Oh, it's kind of hot. It's actually kind of good.
That's good. Peace out. Have a good night.
It's so good that I want another piece already. Bye.
See ya.